When systems collapse, governments fail first, banks fail next, then supply chains, then infrastructure. Educational and informational content only. But one thing stays alive: local trust networks. Soviet Union 1991, stores empty, currency worthless, government paralyzed, people survived through networks of family, neighbors, and shared resources. Argentina 2001, neighborhood assemblies handled trade, security, and food. Formal institutions failed, community replaced them. Lebanon 2019 present, currency collapse, banking collapse, political collapse. Yet society held together through family bonds, religious communities, neighborhood cooperation. When big systems fail, small systems take over. This is the most overlooked survival principle in history. Your relationships are as important as your resources. You can't navigate a collapse alone, but a trusted network becomes a survival infrastructure. History is clear: institutions fail, communities don't.